I'm Kel with Woodshop, and today I have a very easy project for you to make. Anybody can make this project. I made this blanket ladder with just a miter saw, a drill, and an electric sander. Let's check it out. This is going to be such an easy project. Anybody could make this with any tools. You could probably just use a circular saw. You could probably even make this whole project with just a jigsaw. I'm just going to cut a 20-degree angle on each end of these, which will be the base of the ladder. I'll set my saw back to 0, and I want to just square off the ends. Alright, so I need to make my rungs. I'm going to put an extra mark just outside of 18 inches, so that'll give me some extra wiggle room. You got to be really careful when you're cutting round stock like this, like a dowel, because this blade is spinning one direction and it could want to grab that and spin it, and that could be really scary. So just make sure that you're holding on to it really firmly. Yeah, that's fine. My drill press has been out of commission for a while now because the belt broke. So I'm going to use a Forstner bit to make some indentations for each rung to fit in. And it's important that it's lined up on each side of the ladder. So since I don't have my drill press where I could just set up a stop block, and what I'm going to do is I've got a piece of scrap wood with a nice straight edge on it, and I've got it square with the ladder frame, and I've got it set up to where I could bump this Forstner bit against that straight edge, drill my hole, repeat it on this side, and I'll continue that all the way down. I'm a dirty little cheat when it comes to glue ups. I'll look to avoid waiting on glue any opportunity I get. Every Forstner bit has a little point on it. It helps it find its center and drive the hole in there. But it also leaves a little divot right in the dead center of every hole. And so what I'm going to do is I've got a regular drill bit in my drill now, and I'm going to drive a hole through every single one of those divots that the Forstner bit left. That will allow me to drive a screw through here. But I don't want there to be any visible fasteners. So on the other side, I could see where that drill bit broke through, and I've got this other Forstner bit, which is the same diameter as this dowel, put its point right in that center point, and I got a flag so I know where to stop. And now with that in there, I could drive a screw in, and then I could take this with some glue and put that in there, and then cut it off. There will be no visible screws. Okay, I'm ready to start assembling this, and it's going to be weird. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do this yet. I think I'm just going to fill my holes with glue. Shit, fuck you, dude. I think the obvious answer here is I should just do one side and then put it together. That was hard. I got more clamps involved. Okay, there we go. It's very rigid. Nice. I don't recommend doing that. Don't do that. Don't. I'm a bad example. All the dowels are sanded smooth. I'm going to move on to finishing it. Normally I don't approve of stain, but seeing as this is just pine, stain will be acceptable in this instance. Wish I had a bigger brush, but this is all I got. This is going to take a while, so it's my last step, so I will catch up with you at my house and we'll see the end of this. Alright, so here's the blanket ladder. It is all finished, completed, and at the house, and it looks very fancy. This will elevate you to a level of sophistication that you never thought you could achieve. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to this channel too, because I post new videos shut up Junior, I post videos every single Friday. Click the notification bell too so you do not miss a video. Also, I do have Woodshop is on Facebook and Instagram if you want to follow me on there. I don't really post anything on there, but you can see what the projects are sometimes up to a couple days early before I post it on here. So I'll see you next time.